Hello, time for breakfast. I just got myself a banh a Vietnamese sandwich, and some fresh sugarcane juice. Okay, this is it. Well, I was so hungry and I already took a couple of bites. I ordered it with 2 fried eggs and the price is 15k Vietnamese dong. It's got the usual cucumbers, pickled carrots, and some sauce. It looks pretty good, right? This chili is way too hot for me. Okay. Honestly, this is the perfect breakfast. I might come back for another one tomorrow. So, good morning and enjoy.